Hello and welcome to today's briefing. On July 31st, 2025, the US announced sanctions on six Indian firms for allegedly importing Iranian petroleum and petrochemical products. Let's break down what happened and what it means. What the US did. The US Department of State imposed sanctions on six Indian companies under Executive Order 13,846. These firms allegedly imported petrochemicals like methanol, toluene, and polyethanol from Iran between January 2024 and January 2025. The transactions involved roughly US 220 millions in deal, with Alchemical Solution Private Limited alone paying over 84 million, while others range from 1.3 million to 51 million. Sanctions freeze any US-based assets of these companies and prohibit US persons and entities from dealing with them. India's reaction. As of today, none of these six firms have issued public responses confirming or denying the allegations. Indian officials and trade experts have pointed out that the sanctions came just one day after the US imposed a wide-range 25% tariff on Indian imports, which India views as part of a broader geopolitical strategy rather than purely economic concerns. Economists warn of short-term disruptions, including potential disruption of the rupee and GDP impact, while emphasizing New Delhi's strategic importance and urging acceleration of domestic reforms and diversification of trade partnerships. India continues to pursue long-term infrastructure and connectivity projects with Iran, notably the Chabahar port, stressing its value in balancing regional influence and countering alternative routes via Pakistan. Iran's reaction. Iran has publicly condemned the US sanctions as part of its ongoing confrontation with Washington. The broader sanction regime aims to cut off a key revenue stream used to support its nuclear and missile program, as well as regional proxies. Tehran has also warned that continued escalation, including US and Israel airstrikes on its nuclear facilities, could prompt it to retaliate by blocking the Strait of Hormuz, a critical global oil choke point. Through its embassy in Delhi, Iran has raised concern about fake social media narrative misrepresenting its ties with India, calling them attempts to sow discord, yet it reaffirmed its commitment to existing bilateral agreements like Chabahar. Border context and implementation. These sanctions are part of a broader US maximum pressure policy on Iran, unveiled in 2008 after it cited the Iran nuclear deal and intensified through executive orders such as EO 13846. The same day, sanctions on Mohammad Hossein Shamkhani and his shipping network underscore how Iran uses a global shadow fleet and opaque front companies to transport oil covertly and launder funds across countries like China, UAE, Turkey, and elsewhere. For India, the dual threat trade sanction and company blacklist underscore the dilemma of balancing energy needs, economic interests, and alignment with Western sanctions, while maintaining strategic ties with Iran. As the geopolitical fault line deepens, India finds itself squeezed between its energy dependency on Iran and trade friction with the US. Meanwhile, Iran is doubling down on clandestine trade routes amid pressure. In this evolving context, what matters next is whether India pushes for tactical exemption or diversifies away. Thank you for turning in.